Hey folks, what a beautiful day across the valley today. Temperatures started cool this morning. In fact, Brownsville dropped into the 50s this morning, quite unusual for the month of September. And then today we all bounced back. These were the lows this morning, and there's that 59 in Brownsville. Quite a contrast. McAllen bottomed out at 71, but everybody else in the 60s. So a cool night valley-wide last night and this morning. Coolest day we've seen in quite some time. Now, we've warmed up since then. These are the currents. It's 78 in Brownsville, 76 on the island. Everybody else right now in the low 80s, but humidity very low. Look at the dew points, 30s, 40s. I mean, really low dew points. We'll put an average number on the Muggy meter down the very bottom of the scale at 41. So it's really dry out there. And remember, parts of the valley dew points are in the 30s. So yeah, that's about as dry as it gets in the month of September. So tonight, these are your forecast lows. With the exception of the island, everybody drops into the 50s tonight. Under clear skies, light winds, low dew points, everything perfect to make it a cool night. Temperatures will drop pretty quickly after the sun sets tonight with a light wind, so we'll end up in these numbers by tomorrow morning. And again, 50s in September, not unprecedented. We'll be near record levels, might set a record or two, but boy, certainly below normal for this time of year. And then tomorrow back into the upper 80s again, but the humidity's still low, still plenty of sunshine, so it's still a comfortable day across the region. The next 3 days are comfortable, although a little bit warmer, 88 and then a couple of 89s for Thursday and Friday. The average for this time of year is 90, so we'll be just a little bit below that, but pretty much where we should be, really kind of seasonable out there. Big picture shows that most of Texas is cleared out. You look down to the south and all those clouds have pulled away out in the Gulf of Mexico. Those clouds are going to get into the southern Gulf. We're going to have to watch those for some tropical shenanigans later on in the week and into the weekend, combining with a little disturbance that's going to get in there. But for now, boy, it's just beautiful. Clouds move out, sun moves in. So a breezy, comfortable, and cool night across the area tonight. Now, as we go into tomorrow, I think we see, again, plenty of sunshine. A chilly start to the day, but by afternoon, sunny, low humidity, and we repeat that whole process again on Thursday. We just don't see much changing. So a couple of cool starts, a couple of warm afternoons, humidity stays low. By Friday, we see a little bit of an increase in the humidity, but that's about it. Boy, rain, we see nothing. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, just a dry forecast out there. The front moves away as high pressure moves in, and the high pressure kind of hangs out over southeast Texas, Louisiana for a couple of days. Another front on the weather map will have little to no impact. It's going to get close on Friday. Will probably fall apart. That leaves us with this for the weekend, 90 and 92, mostly sunny skies with a mild morning on Saturday, a little warmer on Sunday. So you see all that moisture in the Gulf? That's this front, and there's an upward disturbance moving toward the western Caribbean, so that area being watched for signs of development. Right now, the Hurricane Center says there's a 50% chance that could become a tropical entity, we'll call it, by the end of the 5-day forecast period. So tonight, clear skies and much cooler, 55 for a low, really comfortable. Then tomorrow, we're back up to 88, but after a cool start like today, even at lunchtime, it's still cool and comfortable out there, topping out in the 80s middle of the afternoon. The 7-day forecast, First One 5 AccuWeather forecast, says this. We're back up to about 90 on the weekend. Another weak front early next week hints at maybe a slight cool down, but not nearly as strong as this one. And some of the models hint at maybe a brief shower, but for the most part, this is a dry forecast out the next 7 days and a pretty pleasant one as well. That's your updated First One 5 AccuWeather forecast.